The 5000D makes a stunning, showpiece-worthy PC easy to build, and even easier to keep cool with the space and flexibility to mount multiple 360mm radiators. A minimalist solid steel front panel offers superb durability and sharp looks, with dedicated ventilation channels for ample airflow. The Corsair RapidRoute cable management system makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy-access hinged door and a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes two Corsair 120mm AirGuide fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A motherboard tray with customizable fan mounts allows you to side mount up to 3 by 120mm fans or up to a 360mm radiator, enabling new flexible cooling options. Top reviews from the United States. What a leap in technology! Have not built a computer since 2004 and was forced to build a new one. W7 hit the technology wall. This unit has so much room and airflow, it's incredible. It now has 4 Noctua fans, the 2 OEM Corsair fans, and the case makes all this so easy to add, modify and rearrange. No doubt there are many others that do this well also, I just had to make a choice. Jay's 2 Cents channel and a few others did a review on it and I was sold. Would definitely recommend. I would buy it again as well if I was to build a new one for someone else.